Hello guys, I hope all are good. So today in last session we have seen how to create a controller in Laravel. So today we'll see how to do migration in Laravel. Okay, so we'll go to that file project only, that is a new project. As you know, we are using new project only from first, and in that we are creating a student table and all. So for that, we must and should need XAMPP so to run any local server. So I have started that. Then we'll go, I have opened this program. Okay, then you can see here this is our command prompt. Okay, first, so what we have created, we have created controller, models and index file that I have shown you. Okay, so now we'll see migration means what? It will create a table, that is student table it will create. Okay, so that I'll show you how to do. Means there is no need to do there is no need to do manually creation of student table. If you do migration, it will create automatically. That I'll show you. Okay, we'll go in localhost first. So for that I'll open, that is localhost /php my admin. Okay, we have come here. So you can see here, just is loading. Sorry. Okay, see here, this is our what? Localhost. So here we have, which we are using Laravel database. Okay, see here, this is a Laravel database. You can see here there is a no student table, right? Now I'll show you using command prompt how we can create a student table there. Okay, so for that, suppose if you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please follow all the videos from first, then only you will understand this migration and all. Okay, you can see or you can search, that is playlist is there in our channel, so you can watch that also. So for migration, there is a one command, that is php artisan make migration, and you need to give a table name. Okay, so I will give like create underscore student underscore table. Okay, we'll see what it will do, whether we'll get correct result or not. Okay, so it is running now, it is in process. It will take some time and it will create. See, it is created migration, create student table, means it is saying created migration. Okay, we'll check now. So we'll go here, and where we'll get that, and database migration, we'll see here there is a create student table. Here see here, student table is created, right? You can see here there is an student table, right? We'll see in database also whether it is created or not. We'll refresh. Okay, it is not created. Okay, one more command is there that we need to do now, that is created here. Okay, you can see here there is a create underscore student underscore table. Suppose if you want to add here anything extra, if you want to add that also you can add, like ID, student name. See, if I want, I'll take here student name also. So I'll copy this. Okay, and we'll write here. Okay, we'll take what? We'll take name. So for that we need to write string. Here we'll take what? Name. Okay, we'll take name and address. String name, and one more is string address, because these both are in string only, so I have taken their string. Okay, now we have created. Suppose how many columns you will add, that will added in database also. Okay, so here I want only 3 columns, that is ID, name and address. Okay, now what we'll do, we want that here, right? in database. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go here and we need to do what, php artisan migrate. Okay, just migrate, or you can write colon fresh, or you can write direct migrate. Now we'll see it is telling created. We'll see whether it is created or not. We'll go here in database and we'll see here it's not creating. We'll refresh first. See, you can see here there is a student table, right? See, name, address, and by default it will take that is created and updated, and by Laravel it will take by default only. Suppose if you are writing like this in a timestamp, it will take both, that is created and updated. You can see here easily we can create table from command prompt in Laravel. Okay, so you can see here there is our student table. Whatever we have included here, that only came here, right? Okay, so like this you can do migration. Okay, this is the migration I have shown you. So I hope you got suppose if I tell seeder also, the video will be large. So what I will do, I'll take in next session how to do seeder, or how to do fake data, means how to store fake data here in database. So if you want that, means if you want to do function of insert, delete and update, that time you can use, or if you want to fetch data, or if you want to show the data from database, that time you can use that fake data. Okay, that I'll show you in next session, that is how to use seeder in Laravel. Okay, suppose if you have any queries or question, please comment in comment box, we'll answer to that. And if you're liking our videos, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much everyone for your support. Thank you.